In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Miro. For those of you who are looking to take this step, I'll be guiding you through the process with ease and precision. Whether you're finding the team is no longer the right fit or simply need to reduce the number of teams you're a part of, this tutorial has got you covered. First, you'll want to ensure you're signed into Miro. If you're not already, head over to the Miro website and log in with your credentials. Once successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your Miro dashboard. This is your home base within Miro, where you can access all your boards and manage your account settings. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile picture. It's essentially your digital avatar within Miro. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This will open up a menu where you'll have a few different options to choose from. From this menu, select Settings. This section serves as the control center for your account preferences, allowing you to adjust various settings to your liking. Once you're in the settings area, look for the section labeled either Teams or Active Teams. This is where you will manage your affiliations with various teams you're involved with on Miro. Scrolling through this list, you should find the team you no longer want to be a part of. Take a moment to carefully identify the correct team to ensure you don't accidentally leave the wrong one. Next to the name of the team, you will see three small dots, sometimes referred to as an ellipsis or an overflow menu. Click on these dots. They act as a gateway to more specific actions you can take concerning that team. Once you've clicked the dots, a menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Leave Team. This step is crucial as it formally signals Miro that you wish to disassociate yourself from the selected team. Now Miro wants to confirm your choice just to make sure this action is intentional. You will see a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Simply confirm this action and you're all set. By confirming, you solidify your choice to leave the team and Miro will remove you from the team list. And there you have it. You have successfully left a team in Miro. This straightforward process allows you to manage your collaborative spaces effectively, ensuring that your dashboard remains organized and relevant to your current needs. If you need to join a new team or switch between teams in the future, remember that Miro makes it easy to adapt and manage your team affiliations with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.